The topic today that we're going to talk about is how to create money.
This is a balance sheet for Bank A, hypothetical Bank A. There's no money in Bank A, so when somebody brings a check and deposits a $100 check in the bank, reserves go up $100 and checkable deposits go up $100. So there's $100 in the bank now. And that
Brings us to the reserve ratio. The reserve ratio is a minimum percentage that a bank needs to keep in their bank.
lend money, a bank can't just lend 100% of their money, or else if somebody wants to get the money back, they can't. So they set a reserve ratio to make sure they have money in case they need to lend back some money. And in our case, we use a 10% reserve ratio. So 10% of $100, which was put in the bank, equals $10. And then we get into excess reserves. Excess reserves is total reserves, $100, minus required reserves, which is $10. So excess reserves is $90.
This $90 is how much money a bank can potentially lend out to other customers. So the bank can increase the money supply by $90. So let's say that a bank makes a $90 loan to a person. This person then puts this $90 in, let's say, Bank B. The balance sheet of Bank B is as follows. Reserves go up $90 and checkable deposits go up $90. The reserve ratio is still 10%, so 10% of 90 is 9. So $9 is the required reserves that the bank has to keep, and $81 is the excess reserves that it has, which means that it can lend out $81.
To Bank C, which we don't have. But the process keeps going where 10% gets saved and the rest gets loaned out until there's no money to loan out anymore. To find out how much money is created in the whole banking system,
we use the monetary multiplier. Okay, monetary multiplier is found by 1 divided by the required reserve ratio. So M equals 1 over R.
and the maximum money creation in the whole banking system equals the excess reserves times the monetary multiplier.
So 1 over the required reserve ratio equals 1 divided by 0.1, which equals 10. So the multiplier is 10. To find the total possible money that's created in the whole banking system, you multiply the multiplier by the initial excess reserves of Bank A, which is $90. So 10 times 90 is $900.
To summarize, money created in bank by just a single bank is $90.
We do have.
But money created by the whole banking system is $900.